How about this drop top Fox body? 1991 Ford Mustang convertible. It's be an LX 5 liter. So 302 V8 underneath the hood that is paired up with an automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC components all seem to be there, may need to be charged. Compressor does not kick on and off, FYI. Now this particular car does have some modifications to it that will enhance the performance and the looks of it. As you can see, one of them, the Cobra style chrome wheels that it's riding on, along with radio tires. This particular car, about 72,000 original miles on it. We'll check that when we get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. We'll check out the engine bay. This particular car was in the same family, long-term ownership. It's never been driven in the winters. Actually was their Hawaii fun car before coming back to the States. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of it, the interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us to 507-386-1726. And as you can see up and down the side of this, straight car, not really full of much for dings, nicks, scratches. I mean, granted, you got to consider the age. You will find a few imperfections on it. But let's take a look around this wheel well. Lots of times that's where you see them start to bubble or if they're going to rust. Lower rockers all looking good there. This does have the Oxford white original color that it would have came back in the day, 1991. And then the scarlet cloth interior, which is also in nice shape on this particular car. It does have a white vinyl top that was replaced in 04. Center console. You can see the aftermarket Pioneer stereo also has been installed in there. And there is some stereo components in the trunk that you can check out in the still pictures. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Those are all working. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in. When we come around to the rear here, you'll see a few more modifications as far as for appearance. The GTFX rear wing. Taillights, the original taillights will come with it. And speaking of which, just come over here and take a look at these. It does have the crystal eyes taillights that have been installed. The originals are in that box. There's some extra oil filters. The original injectors, the injectors were upgraded. Distributor cap in there. Pulleys, some miscellaneous parts for the valve covers as far as valve cover bolts. That'd be the jacket or sleeve to put the convertible top boot in. It does have a nice red convertible top boot on there. Also a folder full of receipts, 4-lug wrench, car cover, and some books as far as maintaining this particular Mustang. And once again, you can see those in the pictures, and the pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video. Going to take you right there. I know it said Magnaflow exhaust, I believe it was, underneath it. It does also have shorty headers on it. Those are 17 by 8 chrome Cobra replica wheels. Something else you're going to notice here you won't see in all Fox bodies, has had a rear disc brake conversion to it. 3-core aluminum radiator was added. Also has chassis stiffeners. Gabriel shocks and struts. Did mention the top was replaced in 04, cold air intake. Again, that Pioneer stereo system was added to it. And let's take a look up and down this driver's side like we did the passenger side. Around the wheel wells, you can see no rust popping. Again, lower rockers. Nice shape. And again, those are the spots you'll see on these when they start to rust and start to go first. Take a look at the interior from this side. That red is held up in nice shape. It's not really faded. You can see if I step away, there's the true color of that scarlet interior. Appears to be the original interior it would have came with. The door panels. Check the exact miles. I believe it was 72,999. So let's call it 73,000. Gets driven around our indoor showroom a little bit. Dash also in nice shape. Not sun baked or faded, cracked, anything like that. There'll be good pictures of that. And with the stills. Pioneer stereo system. A little closer look at that, and again, will all be pictured up in the still pictures. All right, let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear it run. And as you can see, the stereo does work, you know. A little bit of oil. Turn that down. All right. Be a little throttle blip with it. Nice sounding car, nothing obnoxious or over the top. Nice little rumble coming out of that 5.0. Alright, I'm going to pause this video a second. Let's pop that hood. We'll check out the engine bay, then I'll shut it down and run that top up for you to see the condition of the top. And as you can see, the engine's been dressed up some with the powered by Ford Mustang valve covers, some chrome. And again, there's a list of modifications that were done on this, and again, some for performance, some for appearance, and there's a picture of that list in with the still pictures of this car. So if you're wondering exactly what's been done to it, it's like BBK, cold air intake. We also have BBK 65mm throttle body, smooth running car. And again, power steering, power brakes, AC, although I've not had that AC compressor kick on and off, FYI. All right, we're going to shut this down, close that hood up, and I'll run the convertible top up for you to check out, and we'll finish up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, here you get a look at the top up. Again, remember it was replaced 2004. So nice shape. Glass rear window, by the way. But yeah, no rips, tears. Hole is going to do its job. Keep you dry, keep you out of the sun, whichever you need it for. Fits nice and tight in the front. And you can see still pictures of it on our website too. I have it at every angle. You'll be able to get a look at it. It's a 1991 Ford Mustang LX 5-liter convertible, 72,000 miles. And remember, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirms miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.